You'll notice at each wheelchair position, we've provided Q-Strength retractables. These are easily removed off of the floor when needed and stowed neatly into the pouches that we have provided at every wheelchair position. To use the retractor, very simply, press the red tab on the back of the retractor, and this will allow the retractor to extend. They are self-retracting, so as they come in, they will lock in place. Once they're locked in place and hooked properly onto the wheelchair, hit the red tab to release it, and they'll go right back in place. To release the retractor, simply use your 2 fingers to pull up and slide the retractor back. That will release the locking feet, allowing you to remove the retractor and place it in the bags that we have provided on the side. When placing the retractor back, make sure that you line up the feet into the track, and you'll notice that the lock tab will be up, and when it snaps in place, the lock tab will drop back down. Let me show you right down here. As I put it in place, you can see right now the lock tab is up. As it slides in, the lock tab drops down, showing us that we have a secure retractor.